All 6 stitches above demonstrated. Let's see what remains unstitched. Like this small fish above, and whale below, and these sea plants. These aren't stitched yet. We can divide into 3 parts. Small fish above as 1 part. Whale below as 1 part. Sea plants as 1 part. Let's start with top part. Let's see which stitches for small fish. Middle texture use satin stitch. Add stem stitch for edges. Outline with back stitch. Small circles with French knots. These lines with straight stitch. Let's demonstrate middle satin stitch first, using 3 strands of color number 13. First, come up at middle. Take down vertically opposite. Split pattern in half. Stitch top part first, then bottom part. Come up next to middle line. Take down vertically ahead. Return right next to previous stitch. Take down ahead. Following these steps, complete remaining part. Each stitch close to previous, leaving no gaps. Creates dense satin stitch. Return needle to middle. Come up next to middle line. Stitch far ahead. Return again. Complete bottom half same way. This stitch detailed in pattern 01. You can watch there. Take down. After completion, stitch 2 outline lines on both sides. Using same color. Come up here at top. Take down short distance ahead. Don't pull tight. Come up at middle. Let's demonstrate again. Take down 1 segment ahead. Come up at first stitch down point. Pull thread. Continue 1 stitch ahead. Come up at second stitch down point. Following these steps, stitch stem stitch on both sides. Stitch this side same way. This stitch also detailed in pattern 01. Watch there to learn. Take down. Let's look at result. Next stitch outer outline. Using 4 strands of color number 11. Come up here. Take small stitch ahead. Continue up 1 segment ahead. Return to first stitch down point. Come up ahead again. Return down. Following these steps, complete remaining lines. While stitching, keep stitch length consistent. Creates even lines. 2 straight lines inside. Stitch these 2. Continue below. Complete fish outline. Usually at this point, I stitch tail together. If that's not convenient, complete fish first, then stitch tail and fins. These 3 straight lines middle, stitch these 2. Take down. Backstitch outline complete. Now look at middle eye. And bubbles. Use French knots. Come up at circle center. Using same thread. Wrap thread twice around needle. Take down at middle point. Pull down. Pull slowly. Can use different color for 4 bubbles. Using 4 strands of color number 1. Hold thread one hand, needle other. Wrap thread twice around needle. Take down at middle point. Pull thread. Pull slowly. Let's demonstrate again. Hold thread. Hold needle. Wrap thread twice. Take down at middle point. Pull thread. Following this method, complete remaining 2. Let's look at result. Next, look at middle wale part. Look at completed 1 below. See backstitch used above. And here below too. I uses stem stitch. We'll follow same method above. Stitch backstitch around. I with stem stitch. These small dots above. Use French knots. Let me demonstrate. Using 4 strands of color number 11. Come up here. Take down 1 segment ahead. Come up 1 segment ahead. Return to first stitch down point. Then come up here. Adjust stitch length with line changes. Return down. Following these steps, use back stitch around. Keep stitch length consistent. Creates even lines. Stitch bottom 2. Using same color thread. Back stitch here. Take down. Continue with wale part. Use different color. Using 4 strands of color number 3. Again with back stitch. Stitch along lines. Continue this line. Following steps. Complete remaining lines. Take down. Don't forget stitch here too. Back stitch complete. Use same thread for eye. Come up here for stem stitch. It's curved line. So use smaller stitches. Don't pull tight. Come up at middle. Take small stitch ahead. Keep spacing small here. Keep it small. Creates curved line. Final stitch down. Eye complete. Now look at dots above. Use French knots. Using 4 strands of color number 13. Come up at circle center. Hold thread and needle. Wrap twice, take down. Take down at middle point. Pull thread. Demonstrate again. Come up. Wrap thread twice. Take down at middle point. Pull thread slowly here. Following these steps, complete all French knots. Let's look at overall result.